So if you'd like to know a way you could use to make some extra $50 per month for free, well, this video is for you. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make some money for free per month, and the method I'm about to show you really works and it is very much reliable. So as you might have noticed, on this channel I only post forex related stuff and no longer post about money making sites and so on. But in today's video, in case you would like to try out something different, then this is for you. So the first thing of course you have to do is to visit my website. So the website you have to visit is this one. So you might be having a question like, what website is this and what does it do and how can I make money with it? Well, this is simply my platform where I provide signals. It's a fully automated platform that allows me to send signals to people's email addresses, to send signals to people's Telegram account, to send signals to people's SMSs directly. So this platform, as I have said, is fully automated. Okay, so we can make money by subscribing to a signal package and trade indices and make money. But this is not what this video is about. So this video is about how you can make like $50 plus per month for free by not trading. Okay, so how is this possible? Well, let me just show you. So the first thing you have to do is to click on register or scroll up and click on sign up. Okay, once you create an account, so as for me I already have an account, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to log in. Okay, so I've logged in into my dashboard and this is how this platform is going to look like. So what you're going to do is simply click on the copy or referral link. So what you're actually going to be doing is find people who might be interested in derive, boom and crash trading signals. Then simply share the link. When they create an account using your link and purchase a subscription, you're going to earn 40% monthly. Okay, so simply copy the link and share them with them. But it would be better if you could as well subscribe to a signal package, so that as you explain to people, if they do work, they might be able to believe you than promoting something which you don't even use. So it would be better if you could try them out. Okay, then if you'd like to withdraw your earnings, simply click on withdraw now. Okay, then you'll be able to withdraw via PayPal, via Perfect Money, Bitcoin, Skrill, or even Airtel Money if you're from Zambia. Okay, then on the transaction log, this is where you'll be able to see who created an account using your link, okay, and how much money you've made off them. Okay, so everything is transparent, nothing to worry about. So this is it about today's video. If you learned something from it, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.